Avianca flies with new wings, connecting the dreams with the future. We're proud to introduce you to the new member of our fleet, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The future is now. Experience our welcoming ambiance, truly designed with all passengers in mind. Bold, stylish, and professional, our business class is what our customers dream of. With space to keep all personal items within reach, making your flight an even more pleasant experience. We've designed a state-of-the-art business class seat to give you the perfect seating position for every moment during the flight. Inspired, creative, and intuitive, our entertainment system puts you in charge of hours of content with a modern screen and a luxury handset capable of displaying independent content. You can share your experience with new people while you enjoy a snack or refreshment. Our lavatories offer hands-free amenities and surfaces designed to provide a modern touch. Our economy class offers more living space and gives a comfortable experience exceeding your wishes for long-haul flights. Enjoy ample legroom to stretch out, while enjoying our entertainment options on individual IFE screens. Experience incredible views of the world no matter where you're seated in the cabin. There is always a vista with dimmable display technology. We are looking to inspire you, to stimulate your senses at mealtime or at work, and to make you feel more relaxed when you rest with our modern mood lighting scenes. Also, enjoy a cleaner, fresher cabin to minimize jet lag. Avianca's 787 is kind to both passengers and the communities we serve, with its quiet ride, reduced emissions, and superior fuel efficiency. Avianca and the 787 Dreamliner. That's how Latin America connects with the future. Avianca, a Star Alliance member.